Hello, dear students. Good morning and welcome to online classroom. I hope you are well. Dear students, if you make a mistake, try again and again because your mistakes proves that you are trying. Dear students, welcome to all of you my today's presentation. This is MD Al Mamun, assistant teacher, and my today's presentation is for class, especially class 8 English second paper, unit 3, lesson 5. Dear students, I am going to present you some sign or symbols and I will ask you some questions. Look at the screen, and here I am presenting a symbol. Do you know what does this symbol means? Yes, dear students, it's a like symbol. Again, look at the screen. It's also a symbol and it means dislike. Again, it's a very special symbol and it means happy. And then it's a symbol that means unhappy. Okay, dear students, now I am presenting you some pictures. Look at the picture, and here we are watching a king. It's a picture of a king, and then it's a picture of a kingdom. Next, here is a picture which present us. It's a right, and then here is a picture of a writer. Dear students, uh, by these symbols and pictures and words, do you know what we are going to discuss about in today's class? Yes, dear students, we are going to discuss about prefix and suffixes. Dear students, do you know why should we use prefix and suffix? Okay. And the answer is suffix and prefixes are used to make new words. Dear students, now I am presenting you the definition of prefix and some common prefix which are used in common English language. Dear students, here is a list of some common prefix. So, and the definition of prefix is prefix are used before the main words. Here is some example, that is an, in, dis, non, il, im. These are some common prefix. We used this prefix always, and the root word here is necessary. If you put the prefix "an" before necessary, and the new words will be unnecessary. Then possible, if you put "im" before possible, and the new words will be impossible. In the same way, in plus complete equal to incomplete. Dis plus connect equal to disconnect. Non plus smoker equal to non-smoker. Ill plus legal equal to illegal. Im plus power equal to impower. Dear students, in this way we can mix thousands of new words before uh, by using prefix before a base word or root word. Dear students, now I am taking you to the next slide, that is about im plus possible equal to impossible. And the next word is very interesting, that is non plus smoke equal to non-smoker, and then un plus these foods are very necessary, un plus necessary equal to unnecessary. Here is the picture about unnecessary attacking in a football match. Un plus necessary equal to unnecessary. And dear students, now I am going to talk about suffix, definition of suffix and some common suffix that we are used in English. And the definition of suffix is: suffix are used after the main words. And here are some example of very common suffix, that is full, ly, r, er, est, al, able, and meant. Dear students, look at the use of suffixes here. Beauty, it's a main word. If you add full after beauty, and the new word will be beautiful. And then if you put ly after nice, and the new word will be nicely. In the same way, drive plus r equal to driver, high plus est equal to highest, approve plus al equal to approval. Same way, move plus able equal to movable, develop plus meant equal to development. In this way, we can use this suffix to make new words, and it will of course improve our English. And then, dear students, I am going to take you my next slide, and that is about some pictures. Here is a picture about a classroom and its education. And then look at this picture. Here are some students of who complete their graduation, and they are educated. And here is a picture of our motherland, Bangladesh. This is Bangladesh, and here are our tigers of our national cricket team, and they are Bangladeshi. In this way, we can add different suffixes after base word or root word, and it will create a new word which help us in writing, creating new word in English. So dear students, I am going to present you next another some pictures. That is, look at the picture, and here is the man is rich, and then the picture of gold, the picture of cars, and a luxurious home, and that is the riches. And here is a picture of a very pathetic sight of Bangladeshi slums areas, and that is here that is the poor. And then if we see carefully the next pictures, and that is uh, means poverty. Here the rich, uh, after using suffixes, the new words here is riches, and the poor becomes poverty. In this way we can use suffixes and improve our English words. Now I am going to present you, dear students, a group work, and here are two works, one for group A and one for group B. And this is the work group A. For group A, that is, discuss and write some suffixes, and work for group B, that is, discuss and write some prefixes. Dear students, this is a virtual class, that's why we cannot do group work, and it will need practical classroom. So this works has to be done at home. Dear students, try to write some suffixes and prefixes in your home. And then evaluation, that is, I will ask you some questions and you will have to answer. That is, what is suffix, and next, what is prefix. Tell me two prefixes, and that is, tell me two suffixes. This is the part of evaluation. Dear students, I am going to present you your homework. That is, write 10 words using suffix and 10 words using prefix. This is your homework. You will have to do your homework at home carefully. Okay, dear students, last couple of minutes you are with me. Thank you for being with me, and I will be inviting you to join our next class on another day. Until then, be safe, be happy, and take care of your health. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.